Okay, MMFI posting. I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, recording also started. Okay, so please give heading. Give heading. Create vendor master centrally. Create vendor master centrally. Okay, centrally means what?
For all companies.
Hmm?
For all overall company goods.
No, no, no. Centrally means not that. Master record maintain centrally. Centrally means this without centrally means purchase with without purchase organization. Okay, but with centrally means I'm not talking about GL account. I'm talking about for this one create vendor master. So without purchase organization, if we are creating, it is not central. From general information we will give, and we will give the accounts means finance side information that
Bro,
is
your voice is not bro.
voice is not coming clearly.
Yeah, it is low.
Okay, just now is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, so uh, create vendor master centrally means we need to create it with general information we will give. Let me open this one. XK0, let's suppose XK03. I'm displaying, I'm opening. So see, this is display vendor master centrally means general data will be there, company code data will be there, means accounting information, this data, and at last purchase organization data. Purchase organization data means purchasing data. Since we are doing FI integration with MM, so MM data, this is MM data only. Purchase organization data is MM data. Purchase data, partner function, these two are MM data. Up to this general data and company code data are, we can say, FI data and general data about vendor. So these two, if we are creating a vendor below these two, that is not centrally. But if we are creating a vendor with all three details, general data, company code data, and purchase organization data, then it will be called as uh, vendor master centrally. Okay, if you will see this one, this is not centrally. FK01, when we are creating vendor through FK01, that is not centrally. Okay, but if you are creating through XK01, it is centrally. Okay, so please keep heading. Create vendor master centrally. T code is XK01. T code is XK01, and write down, please write down the path. Okay, write down the path. My voice is coming correctly right now. Still
It is okay.
okay. So please write down the path. SAP menu, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, SAP menu, accounting, after that financial accounting,
Okay.
after that AP, after AP, master records, AP, after that master records, and after master records, maintain centrally, after master record, maintain centrally, and next xk01 dash create. Maintain centrally xk01 dash create. Okay. So now here one additional for centrally additional thing we will give here. Company code, give company code li01, give our account group lsvs. I'm giving ldvs. Let's give ldvs. ld means domestic vendor. ldvs, Dilip domestic vendor. And in purchase organization, which purchase organization we created? Dilip purchase organization, lpor. Okay. After giving these three details, company code li01, purchase organization lpor, Dilip purchase organization, account group ldvs I'm giving. Okay. Give these three details and then click enter. Click enter. After that, same process. This general and company code data, same details we need to give. There is no change in that. So please give title, company name, give name Jugna Trading, Jugna Trading Company. Search term JTC. Street I'm giving. Okay. And after giving this detail, I'm going to next screen. You can write down in bank details. In bank details, please write down bank details vendor. Write down country IN, country IN, bank key ICICI, bank account. Please write down bank account. This 3200 340. You can see the screen also. 340233123. Account holder name Jugna Trading Company. Okay. After that, click enter. Click enter. In the next screen, first name, we give name. Okay, name and give this department. Department, in department I will give purchasing department, and function head of purchasing. Yeah. Department 0002 and function 02. Then click enter. And here I will give reconciliation account for domestic 150. This one. Give reconciliation account 1,50,000. Then give sort key 014 sort key. And then give cash management group A1. Give cash management group A1. Reconciliation account 1,50,000. Sort key 014. Cash management group A1. Then click enter. Next screen. Here we will give L001.
So short key, what is short key?
Short key is 014. Short key 014
Okay.
and cash management group A1. So, okay.
Yes.
Cash management group
Hmm.
A1.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
okay. And then click enter. Next screen. Click enter. Next screen. Here, give payment terms L001. Payment terms L001. Credit memo terms again L001.
Okay.
Payment method CT, check and bank transfer. Payment method CT, and then click enter again. Again, two times click enter. Yeah, third time we have come to this new screen, purchasing data screen. Okay, so here order currency, give order currency as INR. Give order currency as INR. Terms of payment, please give L001. Terms of payment L001. Incoterms, Incoterms, please give EXW, which means from plant. Incoterms EXW, which means from plant, and then GR based invoice verification. GR based invoice verification. See, what is the meaning of this one? Meaning of this GR based invoice verification means three-way process should be done. Three-way process means purchase order, after purchase order goods receipt, after goods receipt, then invoice receipt should be posted in the system.
Mm-hmm.
If we are selecting this checkbox, if we are ticking this checkbox, GR based invoice verification, it means generally what is the process? First PO,
Invoice, goods.
no. After goods,
Mm.
first PO will be posted, then goods receipt,
Goods.
after that invoice receipt.
Invoices.
Okay. If sometimes there is a delay in the goods, which vendor is sending, there is delay. Okay, then but vendor has sent invoice that business has received. So by checking this option, first we need to post the PO, then directly we cannot post invoice receipt. This is the sequence we need to follow if we are selecting that checkbox. First we need to post PO, then goods receipt, then invoice receipt. Okay, if we are selecting that checkbox, means after PO directly invoice receipt we cannot do. System will not allow. And that is not the correct process also. First PO, then goods should be received by the business. After that invoice receipt should be posted. This is the correct process only. So that is why we are selecting that option, so that goods receipt, this after PO invoice receipt should not be selected. Okay. If we are not selecting that checkbox, we can directly post from PO to IR, but that is not recommendable. So after PO, GR, after GR, IR should be posted in the system.
Mm.
Okay. So please select this checkbox, GR based invoice verification. GR based invoice verification, which is called as three-way process. So they can ask what is three-way process.
Okay.
So three-way process means this one purchase order, after that goods received, after that invoice received. This is the three-way process. Okay, and two-way process means after PO goods received and after PO invoice received. This is two-way process. Okay. So now, after giving these details, click on save. Now you can see our this vendor number is created, Jugna Trading Company. Okay. So now what we need, see, to do this process, what we need vendor master created centrally. Then we should maintain material master. Okay. And in the material master division will have business area and profit center. Okay. So let's give next heading, create material master. Give next heading, create material master. Okay, please write down the path. Write down the path.
Okay.
Yeah. SAP menu, SAP menu, SAP menu,
Mm-hmm.
after that logistics, SAP menu, then logistics, after that
Okay.
after logistics, after material master, after material master, after material master, after material master, material,
Material.
yeah, after material,
Mm-hmm.
create in bracket general, okay, after that MM01 immediately, after that MM01 immediately, okay. So here give material description, material name LRM 001 I'm giving. Dilip raw material 001. Give material name LRM 001. Okay. In industry sector, select cement industry. In industry sector, select cement industry and cement industry. In material type, select ROH, which means what is the material type? It is ROH, means raw material. The material which we are creating, this what is the type of material? So this is raw material. That's why I'm selecting this raw material type ROH, raw material. So after giving these three details, click enter, click enter. Now please see this small this window open. So here we need to select basic data 1, basic data 2. We are not creating from sales side, we are creating from purchase side. Purchasing, foreign trade import data, general plant data storage 1. Please write down basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, foreign trade import data.
Okay.
After that, general plant data storage 2. Select this one also. Then accounting 1, accounting 2, and then click on continue. Accounting 1, accounting 2, then click on continue. Okay. And here give plant, LMP1, give plant LMP1 and give a storage location. Give a storage location LM1R, raw material storage location. Give plant LMP1 and then give a storage location LM1R. Okay, and then click continue. Click continue.
Okay.
Now material description, the long description we will put here. Okay, let's suppose this is gypsum powder. This material description I am giving gypsum powder. Basic unit of measure, give here kg. Material group L, domestic material. Material group LDM GRP. LDM GRP, which is domestic material. Division OPC cement. Delete OPC cement, LO division I am giving, and this division will help to trigger what? It is important for business area. You can write down division LO in bracket, important for business area.
Business.
Business area, important for business area. Okay, and then click enter. Click enter. Yeah, in the new screen, this it is not applicable. You can write down basic data 2 not applicable for us. Click enter again. Now we have come to this purchasing tab. Purchasing tab we have come. Give purchase group, give purchasing group LPG, which is our delete purchasing group. Give purchasing group LPG, delete purchasing group. Again click enter. Foreign trade import not applicable. So we will skip that again. Again click enter. Now we have come to this plant data storage 1 tab. We can skip also this one and come to click enter and come to plant data storage 2. Here we need to give what? We need to give our profit center. 1000 profit center I am giving. Give profit center 1000. And select this one, external allocation UII checkbox. Select external allocation of UII checkbox.
UII बोलते
देखना पड़ेगा. Indicates unique item indicator was externally created. Okay, this will be given by our vendor, means business will get from the vendor. Indicates unique item identifier was externally created. I don't know what this is. This means vendor will provide this one. Okay, now click enter. Now we have come to accounting 1 tab. In accounting 1 tab, give valuation class 3000. Price control V, valuation class 3000. Price control V. Okay. Then click enter. Click enter. See, we are not, we have given this price control only, but we are not maintaining this average moving price, variable price. We have given the control, but we are not giving what? We are, you can see the message, yellow message. We are not giving any price, whether it is 100 rupees, 200, 1000, whatever, but we have not maintaining this one. If we would have selected S, if I would have given S, price control, standard price, then here is the option to put the standard price also. Okay, but we are not giving any price right now, so just price control V I have given and click on save. Enter and save. Okay, So our material master is created. You can see message LRM001 created, raw material created. Okay. So now please give next heading, purchase info record. Please give next heading, purchase info record. It is actually optional. They use purchase order creation or they start from the purchase requisition. But let's do this one time. Purchase info record. Write down the path. SAP menu logistics. Write down the path. SAP menu logistics. Okay. After that, after logistics MM. After logistics MM. After MM purchasing. After MM purchasing. After purchasing master data. After purchasing master data. After master data info record. After master data info record. Okay. And after info record ME11 create. ME11 create. ME11 is the T code. ME11 is the T code. Okay. You click on that. Now in the next screen, we can see the, please write down these details. Vendor master, Jugna vendor I am giving. Okay. Material, same raw material which we have created in the previous step. LRM001 raw material I am giving here. After that, purchase organization, LPO or purchase organization, and then plant LMP1, and then select
एलडी यहाँ पे एलडी पे वन लिखा है एलएम या एलडी
sorry. LM, we have created our plant in LMP1. Sorry, our material in LMP1, right? So by mistake, it is by default taking, but we need to select LMP1 plant. Please, yeah, change LMP1 plant. And
Okay.
then info category standard radio button. Info category standard radio button. Then click enter. Click enter. Now click on the purchase org data one. Click on the purchase org data one. Okay. This one, this is planned delivery time in days. What is the planned delivery time? So give here 1 day. Then GR based invoice verification. This one checkbox is automatically default selected only, but just check, write down this GR based invoice verification should be ticked. Purchase group is already there, LPG. Standard quantity 1 kg. Standard quantity 1 kg. Net price I am giving 100. 100 INR per 1 kg. You can see 100 INR 1 kg. Quantity you can see 1 kg only. Okay. Now simply save it. Now we can save it. So let me note down this purchase info record somewhere. Purchase info record. Okay. So see, what is the meaning of purchase info record? It stores information uh, on material and vendors supplying that material. ये material it keeps the information about the material. Okay, and also the information about the vendor. This is the vendor, this is the material. Okay, so it keeps information about that. What is the plant delivery time, what is the purchase group, what is the quantity. So these all details it will keep. Just check one thing over here. This is our purchase info record, right? So okay, it is correct only. So please give next heading, source list. Source list. Please give next heading, source list. It is optional. It is optional kind of, but we will do this one also. Source list. Okay. Write down
Bro,
the path.
please,
Hmm?
bro, screen expand करना है अभी
Screen.
थोड़ा large.
Large है. Network issue है. I think network issue.
Okay.
Logistics, material master, purchasing, master data, source list. Now is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, please write down the path for source list. Up to master data same path. Up to master data same path as previous. After that, select source list. After that, select source list. After source list, ME01 maintain. ME01 maintain. ME01 maintain. Here we need to give our material number LRM, which we have created in the previous steps. I'll give material LRM001. Delete raw material 001 and give plant LMP1. Give plant LMP1. Okay, then click enter. Okay, and then give valid from I am giving 1st April 2024 to 31st December 9999, giving our vendor Jugna vendor. Give this Jugna trading vendor 6 and then 8 times 0 Jugna trading vendor, and then I am giving purchase organization. Delete purchase organization. and select this fixed source. Select this fixed source and then click on save. You can see source list changed. Source list changed. Okay. Now give next heading. Purchase. Now you can write, see what is the source list. Source list includes list of possible sources of supply for a material over a given framework of time. Also a period of time means it will keep the information about the period of time that
It includes.
it includes list of possible sources of supply for a material. It includes list of possible sources, but it is not very important, but you can write it for to understand. It includes a list of possible sources of supply for a material over a given framework of time. It includes list of possible sources of supply for a material over a given framework of time. Okay. Next, please give next heading, purchase requisition. Purchase requisition, it is also optional. Okay, purchase requisition. What is the meaning of purchase requisition? Purchase requisition means, you can write down or you can understand. Purchase requisition is a request. Purchase requisition which we are going to create now, it is a request that is made to purchasing organization to procure certain list of material. It is an internal document. Purchasing organization, a request will be made to purchasing organization to procure certain list of material, and it is an internal document. Okay, so let's do the means. Production department is there, right? So production department wants to produce something, wants to make any good, any product. So they need raw materials. So to whom they will go? Production department. They will raise one request by creating one document, internal document to the they will raise one request, create one document. Okay, this purchase requisition, and that document they will send to the this one purchasing organization to procure or to purchase that particular raw material. Okay, because purchasing organization will take care of purchasing the raw material and all those things. Okay, production department cannot purchase. So now please give a heading, purchase requisition, and write down the path. SAP menu logistics write down the path. SAP menu logistics Okay, after that, after then purchasing. After purchasing. Okay, after purchasing, purchase requisition. After purchasing, purchase requisition. Okay, and then purchase requisition create. T code is ME51N, and then purchase requisition, and then ME51N create. ME51N create. Double click on that. Okay. Now here select source determination checkbox. Select source determination checkbox. Okay, and please write down. Click on item overview option. Click on item overview option, and then give material LRM. Delete raw material 001.
Click item.
Click on item overview. click on item overview option, and then give material LRM001, then give quantity 1000, give plant LMP1, okay. Then
Okay.
click on valuation, click on valuation tab below, click on valuation tab below, and give valuation price as 100, give valuation price as 100, okay. Then click on check whether this purchase acquisition is correct or not. See, this, let's suppose this team from production department team, they need this raw material because they want to, suppose they need this raw material because they want to create, they want to manufacture, and they want to, produce what they want to make and produce, cement as a finished goods, okay. So they need this raw material, how much they need, from like all details they will put here, okay. And after that, this document will be generated internally, and they will send this document to the purchase organization to create the particular this gypsum powder. This is the quantity, okay. So this detail we need to, so it will be so production department is creating, let's suppose, this document, okay. After that, check, click on check. You can see no message issued during check. No messages issue means there is no issue in this document. Now click on save. You can see purchase requisition number. Let me save it somewhere. Purchase requisition number created. Purchase requisition number. So now give next heading. Give next heading purchase order. Create purchase order. Create purchase order. Write on the path SAP menu. Please write on the path SAP menu, logistics, SAP menu, logistics, after that purchasing, after that purchasing, after purchasing PO, after purchasing PO, okay. And after PO, purchase order, create, after PO, create, and after create ME21N, which is T code, vendor supplier, plant known. I had told you guys this one in PO, what are the details we need to give? Vendor master, material master, quantity, price. These all details we will give in the PO level. But in our previous step in purchase requisition, we have given all these details. So here display change. Our purchase requisition is this one, right? Where is our purchase requisition? Yeah, see, this is our
Number.
purchase requisition ending with 696. Okay, so You see, this is different purchase requisition. Okay, so that is why I skipped that one. So I will put my purchase requisition. Which one? This is the delivery related LRM. Okay, so it is having the vendor number, it is having the material, it is having the quantity, and it is having the price also. Means all the details which we have to give at the time of purchase order creation, those all details we have given to our previous step at the time of purchase requisition creation. Okay, means at the time of purchase order now we need not to give any details because all details will be fetched from purchase requisition only. Okay, if we are creating directly, suppose we are not creating purchase requisition, now directly I'm creating purchase order, directly we can create, then that time these all details we need to give, material, okay, vendor, these all details we need to give there. If because we have created this purchase requisition, so we can refer the same purchase requisition at a time of purchase order. Okay, so now purchase order I have come. So write down, you guys have written the path also, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here, after coming here, we need to click on document overview, click on document overview on button, click on document overview on button. Six nine six, 696, our purchase requisition number. Here also 696 is already available. See, purchase requisition, our purchase requisition only. Okay, now what we need to do, click this one, we need to drag and drop, we need to drag and drop it to cart. In this cart you can see shopping cart, we need to drag it and bring it to shopping cart. Okay, you please see the screen. I am dragging this purchase requisition to this shopping cart. Okay, dragging done. Now every details have come automatically from our purchase requisition, so we need not to change anything here. As per our Excel, all details are there, but from the purchase requisition. So simply check, write down, click on check this PO, click on check to check this PO. No message issued during check. There is no message. Everything is fine, and save. Click on save. You can see purchase order. Our purchase order is created. 45,000. Okay, let me save this one. Our PO is this one, 46 ending with 469. Please give next heading, goods receipt. PO done, purchase order is issued to vendor. Now business will receive the goods sent from the vendor. So please give next heading, goods receipt. P code is MIGO, MIGO. Okay, please write down the path. SAP menu logistics MM. Write down the path. SAP menu logistics MM. After that, after MM, inventory management. After that, inventory management, then goods movement. After goods movement, MIGO, 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 goods movement. Okay. So we will go to this MIGO. What is our purchase order? Let's copy here from here. So see, after coming here, this option should be selected. Which option? You can write down. You see, there are various other options also. Purchase order, material document, okay, like that. So you should write down when A01 goods receipt, return delivery, cancellation, display. So you should write down A01 goods receipt, A01 goods receipt, because we are going to post the goods receipt. So A01 goods receipt option, and then R01 purchase order option. We need to select. Okay. After that, PO number. We need to give the same PO number here. 469. Our PO is 469. Yes.
ये GR number is
ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది
first వచ్చేది ఏంటో ఇక్కడ 500 జరగడం
ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను
Okay, then click enter. After giving PO number, click enter. Okay. Now, see, here first journal entry is going to be created. But here I am not giving any details. Not profit center, not business area, not any GL account. But here accounting entry will be generated first accounting. Accounting entry will be inventory raw material account debit to GRA clearing account credit. So this accounting entry is going to be created automatically. Okay, and the data is fetching from purchase order. Okay, like from division, business area will be fetched, and from the material master, profit center will be fetched. Okay, so quantity, so write down, give purchase order number and click enter. Then the all details will be opened, maintained in the maintained in the purchase order or purchase requisition. After that, you can see the screen below quantity tab. In the quantity tab, quantity in delivery note, maintain same 1000 rupees kg, 1000 kg. Quantity in delivery note 1000 kg, and give delivery note. Give delivery note according to my convenience. I am giving delivery note 22469, 22469. 22469. Okay, then click on where tab below. Click on where tab. And here storage location we need to mention. Give the storage location. Okay, so give storage location LM1R. Give the storage location LM1R. Then select item OK checkbox. Select item OK checkbox. Okay, select item OK checkbox. Then click on check. Click on check button. Okay, you can see the message. Document is okay. You can see the message here below. Document is okay. After that, we can click on post. I have not given anything manually, just storage location I have given. not profit center, not business area, not any GL account. Now you can see the message, this status is also converted as green. Okay, everything is okay now. So after, at last, click on post document. Click on post document.
Bro, your voice is breaking, bro.
Voice not coming. Just a minute. Now, is it okay?
Yeah.
So now we have encountered this this issue, which we should not get. The line item carries the W posting identification. The master record GL account 19300 in company code must have balance only in local currency indicator if W identifier is set. Okay, so it is telling 179,300. Okay, now let us check again. Check post. So that message was, it asked to do this this change. Actually, I did not select this only balance in local currency. So that is the reason that message was coming. So I changed that one. So now you can see it is posted. Our goods receipt is posted automatically. Now I will display. You can write down goods receipt post. This material document posted means GR posted. After that, select A04. Select A04 display option. Select A04 display option. Okay, and then you can see material document, it has come. Then click on execute. No need to write, no need to do click on execute. After you guys have written A04 display option, then click on document info. Click on document info tab. Click on document info tab. After that, you can see here FI documents. You can see FI documents. Click on that, and you can see the first, our general entry inventory raw material account debit to GRI clearing account credit. Okay, automatically this entry generated. Okay, if you want to see ledger wise also whether it is updated or not, 01 ledger. Okay, we have X1 ledger and we have X2 ledger. It is 01 ledger. You can see X1 ledger, ledger X1, ledger X2, period 5, 5th month for US. This one, US gap non-leading ledger. Okay, so our goods receipt is posted automatically. So now please give next heading. Now invoice receipt we will do. Invoice receipt, MIRO. The code is MIRO. MIRO. Okay, please write down the this path. SAP menu, SAP menu logistics, SAP menu logistics, SAP menu logistics. After logistics, materials management. After logistics, materials management. After logistics, materials management. After materials management, logistics invoice verification. Logistics invoice verification. After that, document entry. After that, document entry, and at last, Miro enter invoice. Miro enter invoice. Okay. So double click on Miro enter invoice. So here first step we need to do, we should give our purchase order here. Okay, you can see below PO reference tab, and first option is purchase order scheduling agreement. Purchase order number we should give here, and then click enter. Okay, sorry, we need to write down invoice date and posting date also. So first invoice date and posting date, then give purchase order in the PO reference tab. Miro also, Miro also it is asking, sorry, reference also, invoice date, posting date, and reference, and then purchase order number. After that, click enter, click enter. Now you can see all details automatically coming from goods receipt and from goods receipt and purchase order. All details you can see. Even this price also coming 1000 into 100, 1 lakh. Okay, so I will copy this, write down, copy the price from and from balance, copy the price from balance and put in the basic data amount. Okay, now you can see this message. I will click on this message. See this, there is one error. Please write down this error. Error in account determination table T030R key. Please write in this one. You can see the screen. Error in account determination table T030R key LOCA BS1. Okay, so how we can resolve this one? We need to go to OB42 to resolve this error. We should go to OB40, okay, 40. So write down, go to OB40, OB40,
Yeah.
go to OB40. Okay, so what was the error? You can see
PS.
VS1, right?
Yeah.
So we have come to this OB40, and now here we will come to VS1. Please wait this. is still hanging only because
What is this error actually?
so you guys have not noted down
Noted. T030 क्या है?
this error. One minute. System system is doing. Error in account determination for table. This is table 30T030R. For this one, for accounting key in our chart of account, LOCA. Okay, income tax. Okay, now see error in account determination. This is table, and this is our EVS1. Okay, now see in the chart of account you are using. No rule was found for the account key for determining the accounts to be posted. Okay, means in the chart of account there is no rule for the account to be posted. So that rule is not there. So which we need to maintain. Procedure for define the account determination rules for the specified account key. Okay, in customizing for tax on sales on purchase. So it is asking for tax on sales and purchase. There is no account key maintained. So that we need to define. And that is VS1. For VS1, we need to define. Okay. So here, so we have come to which one? We have come to OB40. Okay. OB40. And here I'm going to VS1. Double click on VS1, which is purchase tax one. Purchase tax one. Double click right down. Go to OB40, double click on VS1, and then give chart of account LOCA. Give chart of account LOCA. Okay. After that, click on save. Click on save. Click on save, and then give GL account 260 2,60,000. Give GL account 2,60,000, which is tax receivable. Which is tax receivable. Okay. I am giving here, and then save it. Then save it. Now again we will go to our this one. Now go back to Miro invoice posting. Okay, and then click on simulate. Then click on simulate. Click on simulate. After that, come back. Click on simulate. Come back. Now you can see this error is now this error has gone. Now invoice is
So
posted.
why only tax receivable GL we have given there? Why not other?
Other also we have given. You check configuration.
Okay.
You can check configuration. Other also we have. Okay. So now this one. Now we will go and we can see from the purchase order level all things we have done except payment. Payment we have not done. Okay. See, I have come where this is display purchase order. ME21 N is create purchase order. Now I have come to display purchase order. Okay. Here you can see in purchase order history, it is displayed below line item. Okay. Here you can see the goods receipt and we have seen the invoice receipt also. WE means goods receipt, RE means invoice receipt. Okay. Purchase order number we can see above. So here we can see all related to this purchase order, what all activities have been performed. Like for in our case, we have done the goods receipt and invoice receipt. That is why it is showing these two things. Now next what we will do, now let's check whether the posting is coming correctly or not. So what will be the here posting at a time of invoice receipt? Posting will be GRIR debit, GRIR cleaning account debit, and then vendor account credit. You can see GRIR, this is debit only, GRIR clearing account debit, and then vendor account 31, which is posting key 31, it is credit, minus credit, this is one debit, GRIR. So GRIR effect is nullified now, right? Balance will be zero for GRIR clearing account. Okay, and now, okay, so now at last, let's do the vendor outgoing payment, that last posting, vendor outgoing payment. Please give next heading, vendor outgoing payment. So I'm coming directly by F-58. I'm coming directly by F-58. This F-58 we have already done. Okay, in previous steps.
Dash
So now,
58.
yeah,
Okay,
F-58.
dash 53.
53 also we can do, but here, here printout will be done. That's why
Okay.
I'm using this. But F-53 without printout. So that also we can do with that also, no problem. But printout will not be there. But here printout we will get. Okay, that's why.
Okay.
So here company code, give company code LI01, give company code LI01, payment method C, house bank SDF00, give company code LI01, payment method C, house bank SDF00, house bank SDF00, checkout number 1010, okay, alternative form F110 underscore prenum underscore check. This one we have maintained in FPZP, our APP configuration, this form which we
Yes.
are giving here, this we have maintained at the time of our APP configuration also. Okay, and then printer for forms LP01, payment advice printer LP01. Okay, then click on enter payments. After that, after giving these parameters, click on enter payments. Give document date, invoice date. You can write down. Give document date, posting date. Today's date only I am giving. Okay, and give reference. Give reference, any reference. After that, give amount. give amount 1 lakh, give amount 1 lakh, and give value date, and give vendor, which is our what is our vendor? Jugna, which is 60000, right? 600 Jugna trading, and then select standard OIS, select standard OIS, then click on process open items, click on process open items. Okay, activate this 1 lakh, activate this 1 lakh, then document simulate. Okay, document simulate and post. This document is posted in company code LI01. Means we have made the payment also to that vendor. Now we can see this print job generated, these two messages coming correctly only. Okay, so now same process you can see this check is printed. Okay, Jugna trading, same process. So this one actually you guys can explore this one. So same, this one date and everything is same, the way we used to do in through F-58 in our previous topics. Okay, so now this one is done. If you want to see the vendor report also, we can see in the vendor report also. Vendor report is FPL1N for Jugna trading vendor. All items I'm selecting, executing. Now see RE, this one RE. RE means invoice received, right? And KZ means payment. Document type I'm RE document
Yeah.
type means invoice received. And against this invoice, what is the payment? This is the KZ document. Through this KZ document type, this payment, this invoice is cleared. Okay. So now there is no open item for Jugna trade.